Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the ease of access on the backside of the Makino Wire EDM machines. So one of the things that we have is we have this giant door that swings on open. So door opens up, you can see everything on the backside of the machine. Secondary, what we have is we have our wire bin down here and our wire bins on casters. So if the wire bin's full and you have your wire recycling on the other side of the shop, you can take this out and roll it. Also, if you move the wire bin out of the way and you need to do maintenance back here, you need to grease your U or your V axes, then you can get and actually stand inside here and do your maintenance. It's very easy to get to that as well. I say grease U and V because those are going to be manually greased. Most of our machines have automatic greasing on the X and Y axes. Also down below here, you have your L&M rollers or your pinch rollers. So occasionally getting in here to clean those off, or if you're switching wire diameters, then you're gonna rotate this to switch for your different wire diameters. So very easy access back on the back side of the machine.